I thought Roy had a bag. I thought that gray bag that he was rolling around, I thought that was his. Oh, God, I did.
Real last bitch, give a fuck about it, nigga.
Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures, stripes on my ass, so he caught his pussy tigger, fucking on his scamming ass, rich ass nigga. When we finna go? This nigga, I'm ready to go. House tour. Yeah. Y'all can see my house on the internet. Y'all ain't nothing to see, ain't nothing special about my house. I'll just show you the main part. Y'all can see the main part. And it's a pool right there. My closet, baby. I got 1, 2, 3 closets in this house. Which closet you want to see? The closet that's in my room. The closet that's in 2 other rooms. What you want to see? There's nothing. Look, you can see my shoes because I'm in my closet. There's nothing to see. Huh? Nigga, he ain't coming over there. He got shit to do. I'm gonna put these on. My favorites. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. I feel like it's dead. Yeah, why? I'm finna get off though.
So good.
Wait, but
you got these ugly ass Balenciaga. These bitches feel heavier than my shoes I be wearing. God.
He said they ugly, y'all. I got 2 of them.
Yeah, but these are the even newer ones, the even uglier ones. These
I got the white ones with the clear bottom. No, they're not bigger. I think the old ones are bigger.
They got this extra shit on the side. They feel even heavier. These bitches are way bigger. Old boats having ass.
I don't even think I tried them on. I don't even think I'm gonna wear them bitches, to be honest. I might sell them though.
What the fuck you get them for?
Cause I thought they was gonna be cute, but oh shit.
Oh shit. I can't find my sandals.
You better go put some of Dad's sandals on. Dad here? No, that's not him. No. I thought that was him. It's not him. Come on so we can go so you can get back and handle your business. You got them big ass slippers on. Do I need my purse? I shouldn't. Emergency. You never know.
What?
I'm glad you ain't said that on live. Because they would have been like, who's her brother talking about?
I thought you're on live.
No, it said poor connection when you said it. I hope they ain't. These are not ugly either.
What?
You don't understand. Why? No, give me the clothes early. You leave 1 in the morning. You give me 1:30. Oh my God. No.
I gave you guys the calls.
I can do it.
I gave you guys the calls at 11 o'clock. It's 3:34.
Yes, but that's a lot.
So I tried to tell him certain clothes. I tried to tell him certain clothes. He gonna come over here and say we can wash all of them. We can do all of them.
Yeah.
I said,
Yeah,
sir,
I
tell him that. I keep.
Okay,
But tell him that. I said I want certain.